With quarter-mile times plunging deep into the 12 seconds and 13 seconds, these factory-built Pontiac road monsters weren't just fast, they redefined what legal muscle could be. Number 9. 1965 Pontiac GTO Tri-Power. Only 1 year after the GTO sparked the muscle car revolution, the 1965 model pushed the envelope harder. Powered by a 389 cubic inch V8, with the ferocious tri-power triple-carb setup, output climbed to 360 horsepower and 431 pound-feet of torque. On the road, the 65 GTO was a weapon. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, quarter miles in the mid-14s, and a throttle response that felt like it wanted to tear free of the pavement. With its 4-speed manual and limited slip rear, the car offered brutal acceleration and an unmistakable growl. Its design was still based on the Tempest Le Mans architecture, but Pontiac's engineers leaned into performance with bigger carburetors, stronger internals, and a chassis built to channel raw torque. The 65 GTO wasn't just a car, it was a cultural spark, igniting the golden age of muscle and setting Pontiac's reputation in stone. Number 8. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge Ram Air 4. Bold, loud, and unapologetic. The 1969 GTO Judge with the Ram Air 4 engine is one of Pontiac's most iconic creations. Beneath its striped exterior sat a high-revving 400 cubic inch V8, officially rated at 370 horsepower, though real output was widely believed to be higher. With quarter-mile times hovering around the low 14-second range, the Ram Air 4 delivered explosive acceleration thanks to its aggressive camshaft, round port heads, and high-flow intake. Designed for airflow at high RPM, this engine begged to be pushed hard. The Judge package added personality, wild graphics, a rear spoiler, and a Hurst shifter inside. But beyond the looks, it was the attitude, rebellious, loud, and relentless, that cemented its place in Pontiac history. Today, Ram Air 4 Judges are among Pontiac's crown jewels, celebrated for their rarity and raw capability. Number 7. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Ram Air 4. Only a handful of 1969 Firebird Trans Ams were equipped with the mighty Ram Air 4 engine, making them some of the rarest performance Pontiacs ever built. This 400 cubic inch V8 delivered around 345 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, tuned for high RPM aggression. Quarter-mile times dipped into the high 13s when driven with skill, making this lightweight Firebird a serious threat on the strip. With functional scoops, a 4-speed manual, and suspension tuned for spirited driving, the Ram Air 4 Trans Am delivered a raw and engaging performance experience. Visually, it carried the signature blue stripes on white paint, subtle but unmistakably sporty. Historically, it blended Pontiac's racing DNA with pony car personality, becoming one of the most sought-after Trans Ams ever made. Number 6. 1973 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am SD 455. As emissions regulations crushed horsepower across Detroit, Pontiac rebelled. In 1973, they unleashed the Super Duty 455, a massive, heavily reinforced V8 engineered for real performance at a time when muscle cars were dying. Officially rated at just over 300 horsepower, the SD455 was intentionally underrated. Inside were forged rods, improved oiling, high-flow heads, and a cam designed for serious torque. It launched 0 to 60 in the mid-5-second range and covered the quarter mile in the high 13s, astonishing numbers for 1973. The SD455 Trans Am is often called Pontiac's last true muscle car. Its rumbling idle, raw torque, and refusal to conform made it a symbol of Pontiac's fighting spirit. Today, it stands as one of the most collectible Trans Ams ever built. Number 5. 1962 Pontiac Catalina Super Duty 421. Before the GTO era, Pontiac's most feared creation wore Super Duty badges, the 1962 Catalina SD 421. Only around 170 were built, each engineered as a near race car straight from the factory. The 421 cubic inch V8 was officially rated at 405 horsepower, though track-prepared versions often made far more. Quarter-mile times hovered around the high 13-second mark, but many racers tuned them into much faster territory. The real magic was in its construction: aluminum bumpers, lightweight front body panels, a drilled Swiss cheese frame, and even plexiglass windows. Pontiac cut weight everywhere possible, building a big-bodied rocket that dominated early 60s superstock racing. Its legacy is legendary, a true factory race car, rare, powerful, and historically pivotal. Number 4. 1963 Pontiac Catalina 421. In 1963, Pontiac went even more extreme. The Catalina Swiss cheese was the result. Only 14 were built, and each one was an engineering experiment in weight reduction. The 421 Super Duty engine remained the heart, but the body was radically lightened. Aluminum front end, drilled frame rails, and stripped interior. The weight drop allowed these cars to run in the low 12-second range at over 120 miles per hour. Astonishing for a full-size Pontiac. It wasn't designed for comfort, it was designed to win. The Swiss cheese Catalina became a mythic symbol of Pontiac's willingness to push boundaries, even when it meant creating cars barely street legal. Today, survivors are among the rarest muscle machines ever built, priceless relics from a time when horsepower ruled the earth. Number 3. 1963 Pontiac Tempest Super Duty 421. Even rarer than the Catalina, the 1963 Tempest Super Duty was essentially Pontiac's secret weapon. Only a dozen or so cars were ever assembled, each fitted with the mighty 421 Super Duty V8. Despite its small, unassuming body, the Tempest was a drag monster. Reinforced internals, a factory race transmission, and lightweight components allowed it to run quarter miles in the low 12-second range. Shocking performance for its size. Its rear transaxle layout made it unique, giving it better weight distribution than most muscle cars of the era. Pontiac created it to dominate drag strips, and it did. Collectors today consider the Tempest SD one of the rarest and most valuable Pontiacs ever built, the kind of car that defines a brand's legacy. Number 2. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge Ram Air 3. While the Ram Air 4 steals headlines, the Ram Air 3-equipped 1969 GTO Judge delivered its own kind of fury. With 366 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque from a 400 cubic-inch V8, it was a torque-heavy, street-friendly brute. Quarter-mile times landed in the low to mid-14s, but with the Judge's lightweight setup and aggressive gearing, it performed far beyond expectations. The soundtrack was unmistakably Pontiac, deep, throaty, and urgent. The Judge trim amplified the attitude, spoilers, stripes, and a stance that warned rivals before the light even turned green. Historically, the Ram Air 3 Judge represents the most balanced expression of GTO performance: quick, reliable, and iconic. Number 1. 1966 Pontiac GTO 389 Tri-Power. At the top of Pontiac's performance mountain sits a true legend, the 1966 Pontiac GTO 389 Tri-Power. This wasn't just a fast car, it was the machine that defined the muscle car era itself. Powered by a 389 cubic-inch V8 fed by 3 hungry carburetors, the Tri-Power setup produced 360 horsepower and a massive 431 pound-feet of torque. With a skilled driver behind the wheel, the 66 GTO could rip through the quarter mile in the low 14-second range, numbers that put it among the fastest street machines of its time. The instant throttle response of the Tri-Power system made the car feel alive, surging forward with a violent burst of torque the moment the secondaries kicked in. The GTO's lightweight A-body chassis, 4-speed manual gearbox, and aggressive gearing made it both brutal and surprisingly controllable. Pontiac engineers knew exactly what they were doing: build a car that dominated the streets and humiliated anything that pulled up next to it. Visually, the 1966 redesign became an icon: stacked headlights, a clean split grille, and a long, muscular profile that announced power without saying a word. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't exaggerated. It was pure American muscle, distilled. Today, the 1966 GTO Tri-Power stands as the ultimate symbol of Pontiac's golden era, a masterpiece that captured the spirit of speed, rebellion, and raw horsepower better than any car the brand ever built.